Hello everyone, welcome to HadiTech Web Tutorials. My name is Ibrahim Hadi. I am a web developer and web design instructor. So in this channel, I'll be teaching you web design from scratch. Even if you have no programming knowledge at all, we will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and even how to build real websites step by step. If your dream is to become a web developer, get freelance jobs, build websites for clients, then this channel is for you. You can also visit my website at www.haditech.com.ng to see my projects and services. Please make sure you subscribe, like this video and turn on notification bell so you won't miss any of my tutorials. Let's get started, guys.